Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video here on the Wound Up channel. In this one, we're going to be taking a look at a very popular release, quite a new release from Christopher Ward. This is the C65 Trident GMT, and I just got this maybe 30 minutes ago or so, and I figured let's unbox it, and I'm going to give you my first impressions of it, and then in a future video, of course, as always, I'll bring you a review of the watch. And also, as always, before we get into the box, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing today. Today I'm wearing the Rolex Explorer 1 reference 214270. As you guys know, I unboxed this watch a few videos back, and in just a few days I will also be reviewing it, so stay tuned for that. Alright, now let's get into this box. We have the usual Christopher Ward packaging, like we always get. And in here you'll find your receipt, and you'll find the owner's handbook, and I believe, yes, a microfiber cloth. So that's all good and handy. Now let's just pull this out to the side. And then under here, of course, you have your main box of the watch. All right, now let's open this up, and wow, there it is. Covered in a lot of plastic. So let's get this plastic out of the way and then take a look at the watch itself. And there we go, I got most of the plastics off. Now just look at this watch, it is very well done. As you can see, it draws inspiration, I would say, from those old Rolexes. I believe they are the very old Explorers. I mean, I'll pull up a picture right here. As you can see, there are some similarities there. So that's probably where they got their inspiration from. And needless to say, it looks great. We have this very cool sapphire glass here that protrudes a bit from the case. We have this 24-hour steel bezel that is turnable, as you can see. We have a very nice and utilitarian bracelet here. It's all brushed. There are no polished details here to be found on this bracelet. Perfect for this kind of a watch. We have a nice and chunky clasp here with the Christopher Ward logo, and also the clasp also actually has micro adjusting, which is very nice to see. Toolless micro adjusting, that is, which is even better. The watch is 41 millimeters in diameter. It features 150 meters of water resistance, although it does not have a screwing crown, so that's a little bit interesting. It is 12.1 millimeters thick, it weighs 71 grams, I believe that's just the watch, and the movement inside of this watch is the ETA 2893-2, which is a fantastic movement actually, I like it a lot. Its lug-to-lug distance is 47.1 and the bracelet width is 22 millimeters. And then we also have the old Radium Superluminova here applied. So yeah, I'm very impressed so far. Now I'm just gonna take off the Explorer and put on the Christopher Ward to show you guys how it wears on my 19.5 centimeter wrist. Now I haven't sized it up yet for my wrist. As you can see, it hangs under my wrist, but that's okay. So this is how it wears on my 19.5 centimeter wrist. I gotta say, it looks good. It does. So yeah, what do you guys think about this watch? Please do feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe, do all that, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.